What's up guys, welcome back to my channel, and for today's video I'm gonna be showing you what TikTok made me buy. So I was thinking about doing a series on my channel, TikTok made me buy it, but like I don't know if like someone's already done that or whatever, so I don't know. I'm thinking about doing it because it just sounds like a really good idea, and yeah, TikTok makes me buy a lot of stuff, so I shall share with you guys. But for today's video, TikTok made me buy a foundation, and which was perfect timing because your girl ran out of foundation and didn't want to spend $39 on foundation, so we found another one that was cheaper, so that makes me really excited. So if you're excited for this video, give it a like, comment down below video ideas for the future. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos, and let's get into what TikTok made me buy. So the foundation that I have been seeing going around TikTok like wildfire is the L'Oreal Paris Infallible 24-hour fresh wear foundation. This is what it looks like. I've been seeing it everywhere, literally everywhere, like every other video has been it, so I was like, this is a sign, I need to go get it. So I've already used it a couple times because like I said, I ran out of foundation and I didn't have time to film. So I will say that it is a little watery, and that kind of freaked me out at first. Like I was kind of weirded out by it. Like I just put it on my beauty blender and it was watery and shit, and it was just like weird, but I'm obsessed with it. So we're gonna go ahead and do my everyday makeup, or the makeup I've been doing recently. I think I have like a pimple coming in or whatever. Okay, so the first thing that I already put on is the NYX Hydro Touch Oil Primer. I usually use this because I have really dry skin. Like it is so dry, like all the time. So I found that on Amazon, and it was like I don't remember, it was like $4 maybe, or like $6, something around there. And I put it on, I let it set, because if I don't, then like my foundation doesn't stay on my face because it's oil. So I put it on maybe 10 minutes ago, and I'm letting it like rest into my skin. And then now we're gonna go ahead, take out my nose ring, because my nose ring gets in the way when I do my makeup, and I usually take it off every time I do my makeup. So I'm gonna bring you guys in closer, and then we're gonna put on the foundation. Here's the foundation up close and personal, but I did just want to show you guys up close and personal what it did look like. So if you wanted to go purchase it, you totally could. I was trying to see, where's the shade? Oh, right there. Got 420, and this is it. A little up close and personal. This is my natural skin. It looks very bad this close, I'm sorry. I got a lot of freckles and red spots and a pimple coming in. Love that for me. We're gonna go ahead and put it on my beauty blender. I have so many beauty blenders I need to switch out. So I am using the shade 420. I didn't know what shade I would be, so I kind of guessed. So I got 420, and it's kind of perfect. So I'm gonna go ahead and show you guys, like, I don't know. I was gonna try to show you guys, but it's not gonna work. So here we go. And I put a little bit on at a time because I don't want to like overdo it, because, oh, and it smells really good. It smells like, oh my god, so good. When I first put it on, I didn't know that it had like a scent to it, and I was like, what? It smells so good. It's my freaking face. I didn't know that, but I was obsessed. Anyway, I forgot what I was saying. Oh, I do a little bit at a time because I used to like put it all on with a brush and then like blend it out with my beauty blender, but then I would have so much on my face, it was ridiculous. So now I put it on my beauty blender and just go with it and hope for the best, and it's like the best thing ever. So let's see, this is half my face done. Let me here we go, half my face with it on, half my face with it off. Oh my god, look at that. I'm kind of obsessed with it, like low-key. Look at that. Ooh, she's pretty on this side. Ooh. 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 I'm kind of obsessed with it, like seriously. I'm gonna go ahead and like put the rest on because this side is not cute. Okay, So now we're gonna put the rest on. There's also been a concealer that has been going around TikTok that I might try as well. TikTok is like my new thing, my favorite thing to find new products. I tried the Thrive mascara on my channel already from TikTok, but I didn't name it. Like, TikTok made me buy it, which I should have, but I didn't think about it till this video, literally. But I've tried that from TikTok. I've tried a lash primer from TikTok. Literally, TikTok is giving me life on so much stuff, and I'm kind of like so happy I joined. And like, if you're debating on whether or not you should get a TikTok, I'm telling you right now, it is life-changing. You should. I've posted so many. I told myself I wouldn't post any, but here we are. I'm posting so many. I have like 30,000 followers, which is insane. I literally got that in like a month and a half, 2 months now, which is crazy, but it's been so much fun. And like, I find so much stuff, or like a lot of people be like do like Amazon finds and stuff like that, and it's like, I'm kind of obsessed. So if you're thinking about getting a TikTok, totally go do it. It's so worth it, in my opinion. But here we go. This is literally just my foundation on. Hold on, sorry, I just feel like there's still some. Okay. This is literally just the foundation, no concealer, nothing, obviously, because you literally just saw me do it. It's insane. It is so good. It smells good. It's literally $14.99. So if you use like expensive ass makeup, because I used to use the Shape Tape foundation, it's $39, and it literally goes so fast, especially like when I do YouTube or like I do TikTok and I don't wear makeup that day. I just put makeup on real quick just to film a couple videos and then take it off. So since I do that all the time, I don't want to spend $39 on a foundation when I could spend $14.99 and it look even better than the $39 one. So this is the find that TikTok made me buy. The foundation, I would rate it probably a 9 out of 10. I don't want to start too high, obviously, even though I did. But it literally is so smooth, and like, I'm obsessed with it, like literally obsessed. I cannot like talk any better about it. It is so freaking good. I don't know how like girls would describe it. I think it's like medium to full coverage, because you don't really see my freckles that much anymore, and I don't feel it on my face, which is so nice, because I used to not wear foundation and now like I wear foundation obviously, but I don't feel it on my face at all, which is amazing. I'm gonna go ahead and finish my entire face and then show you guys everything when it's done. Okay guys, so I finished my makeup. This is the finished look. This is our foundation. Ooh, she's cute. So I guess I should read what this says, because I didn't read it before, so we're gonna go ahead. It says there's sunscreen in here. It's 25 SPF, which is good in the summertime, but like not good at the same time, because your girl likes to get tan, so I don't know. It says breathable, buildable coverage up to 24 hours. And I got True Beige. That's literally all it says on here. Peel for drug facts, but we're not gonna do that, because why would we want to do that? But yeah, so this is the foundation. I highly recommend it for you guys. This is what it looks like. It looks so smooth and silky. Like, it makes me look gorgeous. Like, I just can't help but feel myself in this, and I'm gonna be buying it literally all the time, especially like in the summertime when you get tan. Like, it's gonna be so easy to just purchase another one that matches your tan skin tone, because it's $14.99. When it's $39, it's hard to like, you're like, do I really need to wear foundation? You know what I mean? So I'm so excited, totally recommend it. Thanks for watching this video, guys. I hope you enjoyed it. If you did, don't forget to give it a like. Comment down below if you have used this foundation before, or if you tried it before TikTok, or if you tried it because of TikTok. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more videos. I love you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.